Hi guys, if your iPhone is not downloading the iOS 26 update, don't worry. In this short video, I'm going to show you some easy ways to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Check your internet. Most of the time this issue happens because the internet is weak or unstable. Just open a browser on your phone and search for any website to see if it's working fine. If it feels slow, then refresh your internet. Simply open the control center, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off again. Method 2. Reset your network settings. If airplane mode didn't work, then do this. Go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Method 3. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist and select 4G or 5G. Go to Settings, tap Mobile Service or Cellular Data, then Mobile Data Options. Go to Voice and Data and choose 4G or 5G. After that, go back and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Method 4. Disable VPN. Go to Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management. And make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Method 5. Check Apple servers. Sometimes the problem is not with your iPhone but with Apple itself. So open Apple system status page and check if the iOS update server is working fine. Method 6. Delete and re-download the update file. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find the iOS 26 update file. Delete it and then go back to software update and try again. And here are a few extra tips. Keep your iPhone connected to a charger while updating. If the battery is below 50%, the update won't install. Make sure you have at least 6 to 8 GB of free storage. If space is low, delete some unused apps, photos or large files. And if nothing works, you can also update your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on a computer. That's it guys. By following these methods, your iPhone should be able to download the iOS 26 update easily.